Ka nambi marak nagajala Meghalaya kalayo rung siya ka semifinal jong ka MasterChef season ka bapra bat kaday ka baningkong nagajala banyo rung siya ka ni karinsan. Ka marak ka baday na West KHASI Hills kalapoy siya do ka semifinal wat hapareng gajingdon jong kibabun kinong shet kibatibit na kalengkari. Ka marak kalapen pawi ka jing sngaw kemen bat kalaong baka MasterChef kaday karinsan yakop shet ka bahetam hapo kari ban pin-i yakasap shet jing shen.
Basic simple things have been like forgotten. So I think anyone who's got interest in cooking, I think they should fully get into it, because I was just a rookie cook, and now this has become my passion, and learning so much about your culture through food is something that has been an amazing discovery for me. And I just want to encourage anyone who's interested in cooking and who has a love for eating food and cooking food. I think they should just go all out and dive into it.